Welcome everyone to the Carnivore Experience. Tonight is dinner out and a much anticipated Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to show you what our absolutely favorite meal is, eating out, and why it's so important that Buffalo Wild Wings fits the carnivore lifestyle.
Sounds good. Let's go in.
Let's do it.
Hello.
We're going to go for the bar. Yep.
No.
We're good.
We know exactly what we want. Hi guys, so we're here inside of Buffalo Wild Wings, and the reason that we're here is because we had a follower on YouTube ask us to show her how to order one out at Buffalo Wild Wings. So that's what we're doing. Tuesdays is the buy one, get one free, so that's the day to go. And the reason that we're coming here is because they do their wings in beef tallow. No seed oil is done here, so this is why we're here.
Absolutely, and that beef tallow is a big deal because that fits right in with the carnivore way of eating, and it makes these wings really a great deal. So yeah, I'm going to show you the app here in a little bit, but you need to download that on your phone. And what we do is I order 15 wings, Wendy orders 15, and then we get 15 a piece free. So we take home over 60 bone-in wings that are all cooked in beef tallow. It's really a great deal here, and it fits right in with the carnivore way of eating.
There probably won't be any left.
No, we do go through them pretty good, so stay tuned. Once we get them, we'll show you exactly what they look like when we get them home. I've brought up Buffalo Wild Wings' website. You can do this on the app, and I've logged in. And once you get to the website, up top you'll see menu, sauces, play, and rewards. You want to take and click on the rewards tab on the website, and then it's going to take you to the place where you can find the offers for the day. And on Tuesdays, what's going to show up is buy one, get one free bone-in wings. And all you have to do when you see that under your rewards is just click on it, and then it'll activate that offer, and they'll be able to find it in the computer under your name. One of the things too that I wanted to mention about ordering the wings, you want to get them plain. You don't want them in any of their sauces, because I will show you here in a little bit a breakdown of all the different sauces and the amount of sugars and carbohydrates that are in them. So you want to get them plain, and then they have a couple of dry rubs that you can get with the wings that are fairly good and don't have any of these bad ingredients in them. And then what we're going to do when we get home is we will melt butter and put Red Hot in that butter, which has got no sugar in it either, and it makes almost like the original hot wing sauce. So we'll show you when we make that as well. Well, there they are. They just came out, and we're really looking forward to getting home and having some of these. I'll give you an idea of what they look like.
You guys just gotta sign those top copies for me, and then
Awesome.
you guys are.
Leaving Buffalo Wild Wings. Perfect night. Highly recommended if you're looking for some good carnivore eats. Well, we've gotten home, and you can see we came home with over 60 Buffalo Wild Wings. These are the bone-in. Look absolutely delicious. This is a dry rub that you can get. It's sea salt and vinegar. It's not that bad for you at all, and it works well with carnivore. And now what I'm going to do is make my carnivore hot sauce, or the hot wing sauce. I'm going to take a third stick of butter, throw that right in here, and then we will microwave that. Like we said, Buffalo Wild Wings, if you have to go out to eat, the bone-in wings are a really easy thing to do on carnivore. And the biggest thing with them is because they are actually cooked in beef tallow. Now I'll show you here in a little bit that on Thursday nights, they have their boneless wings And those are buy one, get one too. But the problem is with the bone-in wings that those have a breading on them, and it is amazing the amount of carbs and sugars that are in those. I downloaded this right from Buffalo Wild Wings, and it shows the nutrition information. Here you can see the 20-count traditional wings, and it shows the carbs and the sugar content as 0 and 0, and this is the traditional wings. You can look too at the different rubs, and I gave you an example of like the honey barbecue and the Asian zing. If you add those to it, you're looking at with the Asian zing an additional 62 carbs, or the honey barbecue of 50, 57 grams of sugar, and 41 grams of sugar with the honey barbecue. So this is where you have to be careful with the different sauces that you use. Here's the example of 20-count boneless wings. This is what you get buy one, get one on Thursday nights you want to watch out for. The boneless wings start out with 68 carbs and 1 gram of sugar. And if you were to add the honey barbecue sauce, you'd be adding an additional 67 carbs and 55 grams of sugar. So we have to watch on the boneless how you immediately get those carbs and sugar that we're ultimately trying to avoid in the carnivore way of eating. Going to be adding the Frank's Red Hot Original Sauce on that. And as you can see on the ingredients, let me see if I can get that to come in. The only thing you have to worry about in there is nothing. It's just red pepper and distilled vinegar, water and salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. This is considered dirty carnivore, but it is very, very easy to take and stick with it because you can add just a couple of extra things. Now I'm going to take and I'm adding the Frank's Red Hot to the actual butter, and then I will stir that up. So it's going to be delicious.
Hi everybody, we just got back from B-Dubs, and guess what? Wisconsin weather. We were up to 70 degrees today, 70 degrees, and it's now rapidly dropping, and our high tomorrow is going to be about 22. And we're expecting snow. Yay. So glad we got out to go to B-Dubs today, and we're about to eat. We just got home, we got everything all set up, and we're gonna dig in. Bill showed you what he does with his butter.
Oh, look at those.
They'll all be gone. But anyway, we're gonna spare you the having to watch us eat it because it gets a little messy. I have to go tie my hair back, and I gotta get my bib on and all that good stuff. But B-Dubs is awesome on Tuesday nights. Buy one, get one. Make sure you get their app. Bill's gonna go through like a tutorial and show you how to use that. And they accumulate points too. So was there anything more you wanted to add to this video?
No, B-Dubs is just a very convenient place to go and get some good hot wings, bone-in hot wings. Get them plain like we set up at the restaurant, and know that they're cooked in beef tallow, so you don't have to worry about those seed oils. And like Wendy just said, we're not going to show you eating those because it'll be getting all over the place. We don't want to have that.
And we're starving right now.
That's right.
So it'll be pretty ravenous.
So hey, I hope you like this and you realize there's some great places to go eat. We really appreciate the viewership and the amount of people commenting on our videos. Like and subscribe, and you can count on more content like this coming out.
Have a great night, guys.
Yes, talk to you again. Bye now.